Today's math lesson is on the number 3. If you participated in our live math lesson, you do not need to watch this video. If you would like to review about the number 3, you may continue to watch this video. If you were not in our live math lesson, please watch the video so you know all about the number 3. When you're finished watching this video, you'll go down underneath this video and click on the Nearpod slides. This will allow you to complete today's math lesson on Nearpod. You should have already watched how to write the number 3 and practiced it. If you did not, you should take the time in your Nearpod lesson to show me how you are writing the number 3. It should be a little curve, stop, little curve, stop. I'll show you again. Little curve, stop, little curve, stop. One more time. Little curve, stop, little curve, stop. Then you'll move on to the next slide. This is just a picture of the handwriting book showing the number 3. You should have watched the handwriting video about the number 3 and completed your handwriting book, page 84. If you did not already do that, please do that now and make sure you have Mom or Dad take a picture of it and email it to me or share it through Google Classroom. These are different ways to show the number 3. We just finished writing the number 3, but you can also spell the number 3. You spell the number 3 T-H-R-E-E. These two E's make the first E say its name, and it's a long E sound. Here are 3 base 10 blocks. These are ones. We will count them one by one. 1, 2, 3. This shows 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. This die shows 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3. This domino has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And this 10 frame shows 3 counting cubes. 1, 2, 3. Notice that for the counting cubes, and I'm using a 10 frame, my counting cubes stay in a line, and I'll finish showing that line the whole way across through the number 5 until I go down to the next part of my 10 frame. Now we're going to practice by making 3 circles in each box. 1, 2, 3. Remember, we are following instructions when we make only 3 circles. We shouldn't be scribbling, we shouldn't be drawing dogs, we shouldn't be drawing rabbits in these boxes, but we should be drawing 3 circles in each box. Help me count this time. 1, 2, 3. After you've made 3 circles in each box, you'll come over here and circle the 3's. Here's a 3. Is that a 3? No, it only has 1 curve. This one has both curves it needs. Let's see. Did I find all of the 3's? Yes, I did. Now I can move to the last step. Just like we've done the past couple of days, you're going to be coloring in for the numbers. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counting cubes in my 10 frame. The number 5 should be colored with black. So I'll come over and I'll switch my crayon and color this part in black. By this point, you should know exactly what to do on this page. But I am going to show you one more tally mark because we haven't practiced those very much. These are tally marks. They look a lot like the number 1, and we pretty much count them as ones. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. I would color this section green. But I want to point out this one. This one has a tally mark going across. That tally mark is still counted as 1 tally mark. So let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have to count the one that went across. That's 5. We show tally marks like this because we count them by fives when we can. So when they're crossed like this, that tells me that there are exactly 5 tally marks, and that allows me to count it correctly and quickly by skip counting. When you're all finished coloring in this picture, I want you to click the Submit button, and that will turn your work into me. That's it, friends. Good job.